Hi guys, this is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, and I am here in one of my most favorite retirement project here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Nandito tayo ulit sa Solen Residences, and the good news is we have 4 reopened lots na walang spot payment, naka-stretch yung down payment term for a low monthly down payment term. So tara guys, ikutin natin, silipin natin itong 4 available reopened lots only here in Solen Residences. Yung first lot na pupuntahan natin, hindi na natin kailangang mag-car dahil katapat niya lang itong 1-hectare clubhouse developed by architect Leandro Locsin. So kita nyo naman kung gaano yung kaganda yung clubhouse na to, no? Ito yung pinaka-function hall niya. Tapos technically yung pool is like an infinity pool. And aside from the function room, no, or function hall and the pool, meron pa tayong mga conference rooms in the area as part of the amenities, and at the same time meron ditong gym, no? So puntahan natin itong available na 328 square meters. So nasa tapat lang kasi, no, ng clubhouse na to. It's block 26 lot 9, at ang maganda pa, katapat niya or katabi niya, no guys, yung view corridor or an alley. So lakad tayo para mas feel nyo, no, yung community ng Solen Residences. So ang dami ko nang naging clients dito guys, no. Usually mga clients natin dito is yung mga naghahanap, no, ng retirement home dito sa Philippines. So we are here at block 26 lot 15. So punta lang tayo dito sa side na to at magiging malapit na tayo dun sa first lot na i-feature natin. So as you can see, pag tignan nyo yung itsura, no, this is semi-underground, no, yung utilities niya. So wala kayong makikitang masyadong mga wirings or electrical wirings dito, no, sa roads, no. And at the same time, as you can see din, no, if i-zoom out natin kung gaano ka lapat yung main road. So ito yung road, no, na katapat ng ating premium lot. Mula dito sa post, no, hanggang dito, ito po yung end ng block 26 lot 9. So this is a 328 square meters, and at the same time yung kapal naman niya hanggang dito, no, sa edge, para mas makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung lote ninyo. This is a perfect square, no, as I am observing it right now. So ito po, no, mula dito sa poste na to hanggang dito sa edge ng color green, tapos yung likod niya hanggang dito sa likod ng ending ng color green. Guys, you are in the main road. Ganito po kalapad, no, yung kalsada ng loteng ito. And at the same time, ito na yung clubhouse. Kung saan tayo nag-intro kanina. Nandito na po yung clubhouse, nandito na yung gym, nandito na yung conference room and children's playground. Katapat niyo yung clubhouse. At another bonus, no, for this premium lot, wala po kayong kapitbahay on this side dahil ito ay view corridor. So technically, this is an open space, no? Dahil nga Solen Residences is promoting a large amount of their master plan community are dedicated for open spaces. Ito po is part of amenity. Para siyang alley, no, sa usual na subdivision, but they call it view corridor. Malawak po ito per block, no, hanggang dun sa tulo, Tagusan to, no, na meron tayong mga view corridors here. So ang ganda ng loteng to guys. Pag-usapan natin yung price. So let's talk about the pricing and payment term of this lot. Again, this lot is considered a premium lot, no, very near gate in front of the clubhouse. Ang front din niya is a 4-lane main road at ang katabi ay view corridor. Grabe, napakadaming advantages, no. At ang maganda, wala pong spot payment to, kahit premium lot ito. You will be enjoying this 46,500 per square meter lot below market value, no? And at the same time, 24 months to pay ang down payment at 0% interest. So sa ika-first month, magre-reserve ka lang ng amounting to 25,000 pesos, and then after that month, for example, March 13 ka nag-reserve. The following month, April 13, magsisimula ang iyong second payment, which is at 53,000 pesos, 879.53 centavos. And then sa ika-third month, ganun ulit, 53,879 pesos and 53 centavos. At sa ika-third and 24th down payment mo, it's only 66,379 0.53 centavos. So ganun lang po, low down payment term, walang spot payment. This is very unique only for this exclusive subdivision dito kay Solen Residences. Kasi sa ibang prime subdivisions dito, no, kay New Valley at kay Santa Rosa area, may 10% spot payment na sa unahan. So after 24 months na down payment, yung remaining 90% na balance, we can loan it through bank. So that's around 13 million pesos at kapag kasama yung miscellaneous fees, nasa 14 million pesos po siya. So again guys, no, during the course of 24-month down payment term, lagi ko itong binabanggit sa mga client ko, no, on top of your fixed monthly down payment, maybe for this lot is at around 66,379 per month, you can advance payment anytime and any amount you can. Para malay nyo after 2 years, baka mamaya hindi na kayo mag-loan kasi sobrang liit na lang nung natira, pwede nyo nang i-pay in cash. Or pwede kayo mag-balloon payment sa dulo ng down payment. Ipunin nyo muna sa inyo and then, Jaire, ayaw na namin mag-loan. So bayaran nyo na ng buo sa last down payment kung ano man yung balance na maiwan dito sa premium lot na ito. So you don't just bought this premium lot pero you already bought time at bumili kayo ng property without paying any interest. So ang total contract price po nito, again, no, kasama na lahat, miscellaneous fee, other charges and VAT at 15,879,814 pesos and 72 centavos, 328 square meters, 24 months to pay 0% interest, no, at only 66,000 pesos per month. So ito ang ating first lot. Tara sa mga susunod na lots. So bago tayo pumunta sa susunod na tatlong reopened lots, gusto ko lang i-emphasize guys, no, nandito ako sa main gate. Andun lang, no, yung premium lot na finiture natin nung una, yung 328 square meter. Ang lapit sa gate, ang lapit sa clubhouse, ito lang, at enjoying siya ng 4-lane main road. Wala pong spaghetti wires, no? Underground utility. And lakad tayo ng konti, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, ano bang mga itsura ng mga houses dyan ngayon, Jaire? Alam ko, napakita ko na sa inyo to on our previous Solen videos, pero gusto ko lang ulit ma-refresh kayo. So this is a modern tropical theme po, yung mga bahay dito. Bawal po mag-gate, pero pwede mag-basement, no? And at the same time, hanggang 2 floors lang, no? Bawal po mag 3rd floor para of course, no, ma-maintain yung uniformity and exclusivity ng subdivision. Since this is an exclusive subdivision, huwag kayong mag-alala, very tight naman ang security dito. Sa gate pa nga lang, no, RFID system po tayo, lalo na sa mga homeowners dito sa area. So ganito yung facade, katulad nung nasa premium lot natin kanina, meron ulit view corridor dito per block, and ayan siya, no? Ito yung itsura. Ito yung isa sa pinakabago natin na house here. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ito. So, if you want a modern take of a modern tropical home, pwede nyong gawin ito sa magiging lote nyo dito sa Solen Residences. So, tara, puntahan na natin yung mga susunod na lots, no? Malapit lang din po, no, yung mga susunod na lots, pero ika-car na lang natin, no? So, our next lot is a 277 square meter lot. Malapit pa rin siya sa clubhouse, no? Ilang kanto lang to mula sa una nating finiture na lote. So 277 square meters. So this is about 12 meters, no? And at the same time, yung kapal niya mula dyan hanggang doon, no, sa ending ng color green na to. So ganun siya kakapal. Still a regular lot cut, no? Ang maganda naman dito, you are next to corner lot, no? Itong lot na ito is next to corner lot. Malapit pa rin siya sa amenities, malapit pa rin sa entrance gate, no? And at the same time, no, you will be enjoying a below market value ulit since this is a reopened lot, no? Ang total contract price lang nito is at 13,262,619 and 13 centavos po, no? Kasama na yung other charges, miscellaneous fee, transfer of title fee, and then other taxes. 24 months to pay down payment, magre-reserve ka lang ng 25,000 pesos sa unahan, and then 1 month after the date of reservation, yung first 2 months mo would be only 42,900 pesos, and then from 3rd to 24th month, it's only 55,411 pesos. Yung balance na maiiwan, which is about around 12 million pesos, you can loan it through bank or yung tinuro kong strategy kanina, pwede nyong bayaran during the course of down payment since 0% interest, o kaya kung hindi mo ma-fully paid, at least mas maliit na lang yung maiiwan na balance after the down payment of 24 months, mas maliit na lang din yung iinteresan at ilo-loan mo. So again, second lot, 277 square meters. From here, hanggang doon, no, sa merong pipe na yon or tube na yon. Ang kapal hanggang doon sa likod ng color green na bakod. Still a regular lot next to corner lot. Our third lot is in Block 25, Lot 7. Magkakasunod lang yan naman sila, guys, no? Ito is the smallest lot cut available ngayon sa mga reopened lots natin. This is only 188 square meters. So yung gusto dyan, no? Ayoko na masyadong malaki, Jaire, just right lang. So this is perfect for you. Ito yung starting point mula sa kinakatayuan ko hanggang dito sa may end ng color green, no, na yero or partition na ito. Yung kapal hanggang dito, no, sa ending ng perimeter wall nung kalikod mong kapitbahay. So again, from this, no, sa color green hanggang dito sa kinakatayuan ko kanina, yung kapal niya hanggang doon, no, sa end ng perimeter wall. Maglalagay kami ng lining para hindi kayo maligaw. So again, this is the smallest lot cut available and technically the cheapest, 188 square meters. Again, this is the smallest lot cut available and technically the cheapest. Ito ang total contract price lang nito, no, kasama na yung other charges, transfer of title, miscellaneous and other taxes, nasa 7.8 million lang. Or to be exact, 7,842,000 pesos only. 24 months to pay down payment at 0% interest. Mag-reserve ka lang ng 25,000 pesos. 1 month after the date of your reservation payment, yung first and second monthly mo is at only 20,195 pesos. And then from your third to 24th month of your down payment, it's only at 32,695 pesos, no? May maiiwan kayo na balance after 2 years of your down payment at only 7 million pesos. So, pwede nyo yun i-loan. Just like yung strategy natin sa first 2 lots, yung maiiwan yung 7 million pesos para mabawasan on top of your fixed monthly down payment on the course of 24 months na 0% interest at ang baba lang, no? 32,000 pesos 600. Pwede kayong mag-advance payment anytime and any amount you can. Baka nga, no, during the course of 2 years, dahil mura lang itong 188 square meter lot na ito, na fully paid nyo na. O kaya, onti na lang yung maiiwan nyo na pwede nyo na siyang i-cash out. Ang maganda dito, no, meron talaga kayong stretch down payment term. Yun ang naman ang maganda dito sa payment term nyo, Sulen. Tapos wala pang spot payment. Again, 188 square meter lot, smallest, no, sa lahat ng reopened and cheapest as of the moment. And on to our fourth and last reopened lot. So ito namang fourth lot natin, medyo nasa dulo siya ng konti, medyo nasa secluded area. I know yung iba sa inyo gusto yon. Kasi Jaire, gusto ko pa rin ma-maintain yung peace and quietness, hindi ako daanan. Perfect sa inyo to. And at the same time, this is a corner lot. So from this point, no, ito may plate naman palatandaan. Since corner lot nga, mula dito hanggang dito, no, sa end, sakop nyo na to. Ang ganda, may puno pa, no? Frontage kayo at this side, may frontage kayo at that side, no? Kung saan tayo nagsimula kanina, paikot. And then yung kapal niya, yung endpoint naman dito, no? So ito, yung end ng perimeter wall ng magiging kapitbahay mo sa likod. So malaki siya kasi 311 square meters nga po siya, no? So mas bibigyan namin ng emphasis yung linings, no, through this video. So itong corner lot na ito, what I like about this area, nasabi ko na nga kanina, secluded type siya, retirement home, and ang aliwalas niya, no, ang tahimik. At the same time, dito sa side na to, pag iikot ako, ito ano na to parang cul-de-sac area na to. So wala kang masyadong katapat na bahay. It means limited lang yung magiging neighbor mo. So kapag natayuan na to ng mga bahay sa future, hindi siya magiging maingay and hindi siya magiging crowded tignan, no? And at the same time, still, katulad ng mga first 3 reopened lots na finiture natin below market value at only 46,500 per square. Kasi yung mga bago ngayon sa extension, nasa around 50,000 pesos per square meter na. The total contract price of this lot, including the other charges and other taxes, it's only at 15,058,805.45 centavos. 24 months to pay down payment at 0% interest pa din. Again, 25,000 pesos lang ang reservation payment. For the first 2 months of your down payment 1 month after the date of reservation, 50,438 pesos and 94 pesos lang per month. And then from your third to your last monthly down payment, it's only at 62,900 pesos. Yung maiiwan mo na balance at 13.5 million, you can loan it, or during the course of 24 months, nasabi ko na kanina, pwede kayong mag-advance payment on top of your fixed monthly down payment during the course of 24 months at 0% interest para lumiliit yung magiging balance nyo, maliit na lang din yung ilo-loan nyo or matarget nyo na ma-pay in full during the course of down payment term. So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung mga 4 na reopened lots nito. Nakakatawa sa 4 na reopened lots na to, may kanya-kanya silang character, may kanya-kanya silang strength at highlight. Yung una, pinaka-premium natin, review lang tayo, around 300 square meter lot, katabi ng view corridor, enjoying the 4-lane main road, enjoying dahil in front pa siya ng clubhouse at pinakamalapit sa entrance gate. Yung second one, next to corner lot, At third one naman, guys, yun yung may pinakamaliit na lot cut at 188 square meters at cheapest. At ito, yung pang-apat, corner lot, very secluded area, perfect for retirement home. So, if you want to have a full details of this reopened lot at makahabol kayo kasi minsan lang talagang walang spot payment sa isang exclusive subdivision, please do not hesitate to reach me out. It's +63927 185 1590 for my iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account. You can also contact me through my Facebook page. It's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. And of course, we are still contributing twice a month through the Property Living Manila Bulletin. And nasa Hong Kong tayo from April 9 to 14. So, kita-kits po tayo dyan kung gusto nyo magpatulong anything about real estate kahit over a cup of coffee. That's for free. Magkita tayo dyan mga OFWs, Filipinos living or working there in Hong Kong again at April 9 to 14. Maraming salamat guys. This has been Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to Santa Rosa.